All broiler farmers expect to attain the standard market weight of their broiler chicken within short period of time. Despite that broiler chicken were ready to grow faster, some factors may affect this process. Today I'm going to give you 80 ways to make your broiler chicken grow faster. Before starting this section, please subscribe my channel by hitting the subscribe button and share with others. Number 1. Select the right breed of broiler chicken from the reputable hatchery company. Selecting the right breed of broiler chicken will depend on what you want. However, we have several breeds of broiler all over the world, but there are few that have stand out and each with its unique features. This depends on your location. Try to look for broiler breeds which perform better in your region. Number 2. Take the advantage of first 7 days. The first 7 days of chicks' life are very critical. Research has shown that 80% of chicks' energy is focused on growth, while 20% on maintenance. This means that if you give your broiler chicks an adequate amount of feed in a favorable environment, the feed conversion ratio will be very high. We can see a day-old chick triple its size within a week. However, the reverse is the case as the chick ages. That is why it's not advisable to keep broiler chicks beyond 8 weeks, because at that age, the ratio of feed conversion will be very low. As such, the farmer will incur a huge loss. Number 3. Avoid starving your birds and feed them ad libitum. It is amazing when you visit some poultry farm and find little or no feed in the feeders. And when you ask the owner why, he or she will tell you we are managing feed. That is purely starving the broiler. My dear farmers, broiler are made to feed and grow very fast. That is what they are made for. Feeding the broiler chicken ad libitum means giving them an adequate amount of feed until they become satisfied. Number 4. Maintain your chicken house environment. It may seem like an obvious thing to do, but yet the most neglected. Maintaining the chicken house environment includes providing fresh, clean water daily. Also, make sure the water source is kept in cool place. Provide a safe environment with adequate lighting for the chicken to feed properly if you want them to grow fast. Also, conduct a periodic check on your farm structures for any sign of damage or any loose areas in the fencing. Number 5. Use natural growth promoters. Since the ban of antibiotics, there has been an increase in natural growth promoters in the poultry farming, and more research is still going. Such natural growth promoters include garlic, cayenne pepper, bitter kola, and ginger. These natural herbs will not only boost the growth of your broiler chicken, but will also serve as the natural antibiotics against broiler diseases. Number 6. Invest in high quality feeds. The issue of quality feed cannot be overemphasized. It is the second limiting step after the breed selection. Secure your poultry feed from the reputable feed manufacturer. Also consider adding calcium and mineral-rich additives such as oyster shell grit to your poultry feed for an extra taste. You can never be sure of the feed quality you are buying, especially now feed ingredients are extremely costly. So to ensure your chickens get quality feed continuously, you can formulate your own feed or supplement the commercial feeds if you notice poor growth chicken. Number 7. Sort the broiler chickens according to their body size and weight. Naturally, all fingers are not equal. As chicks grow, you will begin to notice some differences in size, behavior, and sex. Some will be bigger, the male will develop comb and look taller than the female, and in general, some will be small. Now you have to sort the flock based on their size. This is to achieve the uniform in growth among the birds, which also customers mostly crave for. Keep the smaller chickens in a separate pen and give them more food with plenty of water. Number 8. Keep your broiler chickens healthy. This is an obvious one but is worth repeating. Besides, sick broiler chickens hardly grow faster, and if they do not grow well, they will not attain their full growth potentials. Unhealthy birds do not eat as much as healthy ones, and what they eat usually goes to fighting off diseases. In contrast, healthy broiler chickens, especially those with an healthy digestive system, will grow faster and utilize well their nutrients. In essence, make sure you keep your broiler chickens healthy and always put biosecurity measures into practice. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and share with others.